عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. أرحب بكم في فصل اللغة العربية. إن شاء الله سنتعلم مدينة Arabic Reader الدرس الخامس. So inshallah in this video we are going to learn possessive phrase. It is called in Arabic language al-murakkab al-izafi. Let's start. الدرس الخامس Lesson 5 سعيد أكتاب محمد هذا يا ياسر. Is this Muhammad's book? ياسر لا هذا كتاب حامد. No, this is Hamid's book. سعيد أين كتاب محمد? Where is Muhammad's book? ياسر هو تحت المكتب هناك. It is under the table there. سعيد أين دفتر عمار? Where is Ammar's notebook? ياسر هو على مكتب المدرس. It is on the teacher's table. سعيد قلم من هذا يا علي? Whose pen is this علي? علي هذا قلم المدرس. This is the teacher's pen. سعيد أين حقيبة المدرس? Where is the teacher's bag? علي هي تحت المكتب. It is under the table. تمارين exercises. أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. Answer the following question. أين كتاب محمد? Where is Muhammad's book? هو على المكتب هناك. It is on the table there. أين كتاب عمار? Where is Ammar's book? هو على مكتب المدرس. It is on the teacher's table. أين حقيبة المدرس? Where is the teacher's bag? هي تحت المكتب. It is under the table. أضف الكلمة الأولى إلى الثانية. Rewrite the two words in each group so that the second word is in the possessive form. كتاب محمد Muhammad's book. مكتب المدرس the teacher's table. قلم حامد Hamid's pen. مفتاح البيت the house key. بيت عباس Abbas house. دكان التاجر the merchant shop. غرفة علي Ali's room. بيت المهندس the engineer's house. دفتر سعيد Said's notebook. اسم الولد the boy's name. منديل ياسر Yasir's handkerchief. Kitabullah the book of Allah. قميص عمار Ammar's shirt. بنت الطبيب the doctor's daughter. سرير خالد Khalid's bed. مفتاح السيارة the car key. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Read and write each of the following phrases vocalizing the last letter of both the words. باب المدرسة the school door. حمار الرجل the man's donkey. بيت حامد Hamid's house. سيارة المدير the principal's car. منديل عمار Ammar's handkerchief. اسم الطالب the student's name. بيت الله the house of Allah. في كتاب الله in the book of Allah. من بيت المدرس from the teacher's house. على مكتب المدير on the principal's table. اقرأ read. أين بيت المدرس? Where is the teacher's house? هو بعيد. It is far. القرآن كتاب الله The Holy Quran is the book of Allah. Al-Ka'batu Baytullahi. The Holy Kaaba is the house of Allah. Muhammadun sallallahu alayhi wasallam Rasulullahi. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the prophet of Allah. خرج المدرس من غرفة المدير. The principal went out from the teacher went out from the principal's room. هذا بيت حامد. This is Hamid's house. وذلك بيت خالد. And that is Khalid's house. Ibn Ammarin Talib. Ammar's son is a student. Wabnu Yasirin Tajir. And Yasir's son is a merchant. Baytul Mudarrisi Ba'id. The teacher's house is far. Wabaytu Tajiri Qarib. And the merchant's house is near. هذا مفتاح السيارة. This is car key. أين مفتاح البيت? Where is the house key? من أنت يا ولد? Who are you, boy? أنا ابن عباس. I am Abbas' son. وابن من هو? Whose son is he? وابن خالد. He is Khalid's son. أين مسجد رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم? Where is the masjid of Prophet of Allah صلى الله عليه وسلم? هو في المدينة المنورة. It is in Medina Munawwara. بنت حامد في المدرسة. Hamid's daughter is in the school. وبنت محمد في الجامعة. And Muhammad's daughter is in the university. اسم المدرس سعيد. The teacher's name is Saeed. واسم المهندس خالد. And the engineer's name is Khalid. عم طالب غني. The student's uncle is rich. باب المسجد مفتوح وباب المدرسة مغلق. The masjid door is open and the school door is closed. قالوا حامد فقير. Hamid's uncle is poor. سيارة عباس في الشارع. Abbas' car is in the street. Ibn Mananta. Whose son are you? Ana Ibnul Mudarris. I am teacher's son. Ain al-Kalb. Where is the dog? Wa ta'ata sayyara. It is under the car. كون جملا مفيدة بملء الفراغ فيما يلي. Make sentences by filling in the blanks. باب البيت مغلق. The house door is closed. أين مفتاح السيارة? Where is the car key? محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم رسول الله. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the prophet of Allah. Baytul Tabib is Ba'id. The doctor's house is far. Al-Quran Kitabullah. The Holy Quran is the book of Allah. Khatijatu bintu Hamid. Khatija is Hamid's daughter. Anabnul Mudarris. I am teacher's son. Qalamut Talibi Maksur. The student's pen is broken. Babul Madrasati Maftuh. The school door is open. Kharaj al-Mudarrisu min ghurfatil mudir. The principal went out. The teacher went out from the principal's room. Sahih at-tarkibat at-taliyah. Correct the following phrases. Qalamut talibi. The student's pen. Babus sayyarati. The car door. Bintu Hamidin. Hamid's daughter. Rasulullah. The prophet of Allah. Ismul waladi. the boy's name. Ibnul Mudarrisi, the teacher's son. Ismul Waladi Muhammad, the boy's name is Muhammad. Wasmul Binti Zainab, and the girl's name is Zainab. Ismul Mudarrisi Hamid, the teacher's name is Hamid. Masmul Mudir, what is the principal's name? Ibn Khalidin fil madrasa. Khalid's son is in the school. Wabnu Hamidin fil jamia, and Hamid's son is in the university. Ibnul Mudarrisi fil fasl, the teacher's son is in the classroom. Ain Ibnul Mudir, where is the principal's son? اقرأ ما يلي مراعيا قواعد نطق همزة الوصل. Read the following sentences bearing in mind the rule of Hamzatul Wasl. Ibn Muhammadin fil Iraq. Muhammad's son is in Iraq. Wabnu Hamidin fil Hind, and Hamid's son is in India. Kharajabnul Tabibi min al Bayt, the doctor's son went out from the house. Zahababnu Tajiri ila Suq, the merchant's son went to the market. Ismul Muhandisi Faisal, the engineer's name is Faisal. Wasmut Tabibi Mas'ud, the doctor's name is Mas'ud. Masmur Rajul, what is the man's name? Ibn Mananta, whose son are you? Anabnul Wazir, I am the minister's son. Al-Kalimatul Jadidatu, new words. Al-Rasul, the Prophet. Al-Ka'batu, the Holy Kaaba. Al-Ismu, the noun, the name. Al-Ibnu, son. Al-Ammu, the uncle. Al-Khalu, the uncle. Al-Haqibatu, the bag. Al-Sayyaratu, the car. Al-Shariu, the street. Maghlaqun, close. Tahta, under. Hunaka, there. Sayyaratul Mudarrisi, muzafun, muzaf ileyh, the teacher's car. If you want to conjugate any verb, if you want to learn any sentence, or if you want to conjugate any verb, please comment it. For watching the video, thank you very much.